Hi there, I'm Crystal, Content Director and Photographer over at Crystal Clear Photography, and I wanted to talk to you about something super important today. 3 advantages to outsourcing your photography needs. As a small business owner, is it better to shoot your own content or is it time to outsource your content? How do you know when it's right? Well, I covered that in one of my other topics beforehand, so you can refer back to that video below. But today I'm talking to you about the 3 advantages to being able to outsource the photography and how that's going to help you in your business. First off, you can get more done. When you're not worried about doing something that's not your main focus in your business, it frees up time to tackle other things on your to-do list, shipping out more products, answering customer inquiries, or working on new projects that you might have coming up. The second advantage is that you get well thought through photos. So you get someone like myself, someone that's going to curate images that are going to have an actual storyline to them. When you're super busy and you're juggling multiple things in your business, and then you stop and you're trying to do photos on top of all of that, sometimes your images can feel like they're lacking luster or fun, or they just feel downright drab, and they're not at all achieving what you're looking for. It might be time to outsource. And finally, the third advantage to outsourcing your photography to someone like me, you can take one more weight off your shoulder. It is less time struggling on what you're going to shoot, how you're going to shoot it, what backdrop, what props can you add, did I do something different than I did before? All of those things that are constantly running through your head. I mean, wouldn't you want to not feel like a 10-woman circus? Hello? That's where I step in to help you. So again, those are just a couple of quick advantages to being able to outsource your photography, and there are so many more. So make sure to click below and sign up with me to do a free consult today so you can figure out how outsourcing can help you take a little bit more weight off your shoulders to focus on the more important things in your business. See you soon.